I'm a mother of 3 beautiful young girls, and I decided to bank their cord blood to secure their future.
Cord blood stem cells are cells that have got the capacity to develop into every type of blood cell. And in the umbilical or cord blood of a baby, there's very large numbers of these cells.
The reason for collecting cord blood stem cells at the moment is fairly limited. That is for the treatment of childhood leukemia and some other related childhood cancers. But the exciting thing is that the research points to the fact that in the future there will be many other uses for these cord blood stem cells. And because you only have one day to collect them, that is the day of birth, I think it's something which everyone should at least consider.
Banking our child's cord blood is important to us. Knowing we have this backup fills us with a lot of confidence. We chose Cryosite because it was recommended by our obstetrician, because they are leaders in the industry and have been around for quite a long time. We also thought they were more reputable because they do have their own labs.
Cryosite's cord blood laboratories and cryopreservation facilities are world class. Cryosite was established in 2000 and set up Australia's first private cord blood bank in 2002. Our equipment, our materials and our processes set new standards in private cord blood banking around the world.
The collection of cord blood stem cells is organised by the patient arranging it with the cord blood cell collection company, who then contact the doctor, and I agree to collect the cord blood at the time of delivery.
We receive the cord blood sample into the laboratory, whereby we check the labelling and separate it into its components. The next step is to cryopreserve it into freezing bags, which we then store into liquid nitrogen tanks.
We are in dialogue with the various government agencies who control the quality of the products that we produce. So we are totally committed to meeting and exceeding any statutory regulatory authority standards.
Cryosite employs the best cryopreservation scientists, laboratory technicians in Australia. Cryosite is listed on the ASX, we're financially transparent and we have a diversified business model. Cryosite is a stable company. That's important when you're saving cord blood stem cells for in excess of 18 years.
People these days especially take enormous measures to give their children every opportunity in life. They help minimise risks by having them vaccinated, by protecting them from the sun, from teaching them to cross the road. So I think that people really need to consider private cord blood storage as part of the whole risk management approach for their children.
In this day and age, you don't know what can occur, and I needed the reassurance that they are secure in the future in case anything does go wrong.
I have actually banked my own children's cord blood because as a mother and a scientist, I realise my children may need it in the future.
Banking our child's cord blood makes us feel good about our child's future, knowing there's that insurance policy there just in case something does go wrong along the track.